Well, this is the flywheel for the diesel bike. I've done some work on it since turning on the lathe. I started with the 3 holes here, which are the 3, if it doesn't get stuck, the 3 locating pins on the outside part of the flywheel. I had the centre line marked, which we marked out on the lathe. I then used Zeus and the lookup table for coordinates for locating equally spaced holes in jig boring to work out the spacing for 3 equally spaced holes in a circle. Then used my vernier caliper, which is over here somewhere. Marked the holes out, drilled them blind as it were, and then lo and behold, it fits really snugly. There we go, look. Perfect. The other thing with this is when we assemble it by putting the spring in, and the bottom. Oh, the other thing I did was to drill the other 6 holes, tap them out to M7 so we can bolt it together. Then I was able to assemble it, and we put the lower pressure plate on, followed by the friction plate and the top. You can see that despite this recess being cut out, we're still too high, so I've got to actually somehow machine out an area to take the lug. So I'm going to have to think about that. I don't know if I can do it the same way I've done the top, because what's easy with the top part is I obviously mark out with 2 lines what I want to take out. Then I've got this flat mill end in the pillar drill for taking out the worst of the bulk of the material, and then using a combination of the angle grinder and a file, just cleaning it up a bit. So yeah, a bit more work to do. This one's halfway through, haven't started that. Another hour or so, and I'll be looking at maybe balancing it after doing all this. That's approximately by eye. So that's where we are. The next instalment of the diesel flywheel.